Sika Korabea.
I was saying it's another lovely Sunday evening. Mamu Akuapem, but you made the opportunity in Sika Korabea. As I say every day, me say we project our own. Yen bank na yeton. So this platform has been given to us. Say be projected. Yen the me sure say nipa bebre te yen the na say. So today me nya kwanya no call the eastern part of the country where I got the privilege to speak to the general manager or the supervising manager of Akuapem Rural Bank. I almost 40 years of existence. And easy, sir. Sometimes you know this baby we also pay the able for the. And this issue, I think, the Bank of Ghana has to come back and say, rural be free moves. And they are doing a lot of things, and they are doing a lot. They are bringing transformation into the lives of their customers. And I think say there are a lot of things to talk about. Bank every 40 years, bank COVID-19 almost the protocol. So bank almost say, and more be just the boy a bank I just a business and they become business. Baby, I will be I just pick up a phone, call a friend to call a friend, send they become business once a Sika Korabea, so a brabon on so Adom TV. So because then you maybe no so say nothing. I will join the channel by you. Nice and mature baby, I'll be Nanya Sika Elho. Mansa Kranos, so the Uncle dear, my Coton dear ba, many the general manager better to come over. Why do my boy Juma Chepa back in the days, baby, and I'm or the Abidus our cities, such as or boy Juma my bank and also con enemy pa. The one Coton dear, so I said I was in Wooden say a GB1 Industries or say Branon more than so board and swap. Both of that know what the free to me particularly or so brand new what promo Juma what it. Yen change kaso ba Brewanza. When it comes to homeopathic hospital, there are not clinic there and one faith and so and I only say bank akese so kan ho adwuma die no etimi ekoso afa no mega publications so kan ho. Yeah, but one day my Bible to adwuma. Don't forget that my name is still remains the same, Edwin Arnold with the Dadzie Dadzie. I am still the CEO of PBR Fine.
Welcome to Alpha and Omega Publications. You are assured of quality services on graphic designs, book publication, and general printing. Our services range from filmmaking of all sizes, textbook publications, including Alpha and Omega series from crèche to JHS. We also undertake services in branding and packaging of books, calendars, book binding, posters and invoices, t-shirt and cloth printing, flyers and all general printing. We are located at Asafo, Labour Runabout. For further enquiries, call 03220 407 93 or 0273 601 207.
Ofi. Hey, let's say. Boko, ubeji usika. Aso buadi biama. Thank you. Yo. Ba, me no. Sha no munya mami why? Okay.
Akosia. Enemrem oda so tususu.
Sister, nya botar Akosia. Ahi nyina na ye wo krom ha dey. Na sister owusu a susu fu obey wo beje ni sika wo de kwai Akosia de wa retwa susu wo krom ha amemfima asem na mo bekan amemfima de omo ntisa o
sa na omo nyina tie
bide sister hwe amemfima rural bank na mama ye de mi ye me start ye kete hwe and then me shop matre ama enkrofo mpo betu ekoton amemfima ya da room o
wo se amemfima na ma uska
amemfima rural bank asem na making
inti amemfima mi hia loan na mutwa susu na mi hia loan na wodiba mama dema
amemfima rural bank we bia obeko bia omo wo ho
sasa na tie de ani nyina ye beko wo bi.
Look no further, choose Amemfima Rural Bank. Your success, our pride.
Sika Korabea.
I was answering no better answer Masamu Akuapem way Sika Korabea Adom TV or Multi TV. Every Sunday exactly 7 o'clock in your Tennessee. Chair said yeah, obet me any loan, baby, I bet me savings, baby, our brother bet me a coso. Very fixed deposit and so forth. So as I indicated earlier, when I went to the eastern part of the country where I got the privilege to speak to the general manager of Akuapem Rural Bank, 40 years of existence hasn't been easy. God being so good, Papa na transe. Ti yetwetwe nkomo ne yehwe sede a bank no ba bi o mu free ni ba bi o ma bidu ni ne mo betimi di aboa ye ya brabo nyina timi akoso. General manager Akwaba.
Yeah, nua.
Mama Akwaba ya o ma me ye nua de chesa hodin kakra so ye de ho.
Nyame adom ahode.
De edi kan, ye ni kan Akuapem rural bank. Ye ka se Akuapem rural bank any bank be ya.
Pamcho Akuapem rural bank part of the rural banks fraternity. Say about the history of rural banking in Ghana. Akuapem rural bank number 12. Yete rural banks are Ghana be 140 rural
concept no buy.
Yes.
Number 12.
Number 12. Now say by Eastern region so number 3. Number 12 no bank no yete no 29th August 1980.
29th August 1980.
Yes. Na currently no your bank no in Crobatansia. Your head office.
Air branches makuma 6.
Yes. Your head office ewo Mamfe. Your branch ni bi wo Kofodua. Nsawam, Ebri, Madina ena Edukrum.
Edukrum, Medina, Nsawam, Kofodua ena Mamfe.
Yes.
Okay.
And you know yes, our 2 mobilizing centers. I can wear money 8.
Okay.
Mobilizing centers no Bako Adoso and Bako Latte. Na ka mobilizing center na difference e wo any branches ni mu se enye de bia na ye adwuma wo na ye wo na ye adwuma wo ye basically market days e wo sa communities ni and
I mobilizing center am what to. Okay.
And you know bank no de say ye ka banks are rural banks are edi tintimba organa ha Akuapem rural bank e ka ho bi.
How has it been 40 years of existence? And here now but say near COVID no crank amudi 20 years somewhere 2020.
40 years.
40 years
yeah.
And amode back 2021 is somebody. How has it been? You know, challenges be call it got to a point when people realize they didn't rural no cry no and are they really fulfilling the promises that they give? How has it been?
Okay. Actually Akuapem rural bank I live up to the rural banking concept. But I say ye boa rural folks no. Ama omo abrabo in terms of economic empowerment. Akoso. And you know the kind of businesses I support no any businesses are established. Okay. Ye pick omo from the scratch. Na ye more advice. Say the bear
advice for free, advice
for free because nipa no sebe wa share adwuma ase enti no oni sika or dey na adwuma enti say o man business advice na ko charge na then you are making the person worse off but giving the advice no I don't really as the person grows no business ni enyin no na bank no so no enyin aside that no so no we share product no enya off the shelf you can off the shelf enya pam sensen say ni obi aye binu na ye no di nkuta ho na ye hwe se de wo pese bota esi wani so a na ye hu ne nhihye ya ye beboa wo ama odwuma na tumpon na ya boa wo ama oniema akonkan.
Now that we've gotten the background of Akuapem rural bank yemfa product bia minim say mo program bia mo yema where one be kamu invite my baby but baby menti am body any kind of loans am takra na ye kono yato eso yes ase no mo ba ko be on friend smart loan ye ka smart loan no wasam kakra no aham friend say o friend express loan. Yeah, okay.
Express loan no ye loans are ye design ama aban adwumayefo yes aban adwumayefo mo je omo akatu ye fa controller.
It is mean that obi engine salary free controller or the on account.
Yes I don't know for technology sake you know there was scheme loans for other institutions omo nyu market ya emfa controller I don't know ye ne employers no sign MOU
MOU ni dey
agreement.
Okay. Memorandum of understanding.
Yes, memorandum of understanding.
I catch you to kind MOU ni
yes. Yes sign ye ya omo be ma ye mboshe say the loan ni mawa bosumi bia no mbeti esika de abre
Ebi am ye teacher ni ana nurse ni.
yes usually teacher for nurse for no the omo government of Ghana payroll controller payroll so that but it is security services
Soldier.
no soldier police fire service nomne prison service nom and our individual businesses private sector our more well established our so workers through banks no there was our arrangement now yes
Private entity.
yes private entities be say private schools no you know you know yes
And senior high school and junior high school.
both junior and then senior high schools ni yeah was anche no ya na employers no share yes she na bosumi bia na ma the staff loans na mo betete akatua na akwa check na ye dey aba betua enti sa loans no cover both omo ni government of Ghana payrolls no more government of Ghana payrolls
First of all, I must ask you, women work within your catchment area and quantity me loan. And I said, maybe a more branch or Accra, more be Eastern region, more work for India and somewhere near Sema. Okay, Nami or Kumasi, Nami Pemolu, no moon some yemen, then Nami Pebia. Very difficult.
Oh, and you're difficult. So, okay, a website. Your contact
now, doesn't mean so in website.
So that's right. Aside website, you know. Say ye din komo yi ye the contact lines ebetudwa nti obi bia interested now we are in a technological world abefo and you know it's not about say your catchment area so free contact na your officers whatever information be we here no ye betimi EMX
but see say what happens if I'm not around your catchment area me wa Boga, me wa Tamale, me wa Kumasi, me wa Takrade. Is it possible to me a controller near?
Yes. That's the point I'm making.
It's simple.
Yeah, very, very simple.
It
just make a call.
To the numbers
we'll have a means. It will means a bit to make the documents. Be also the same number send on what feeling was send there. Okay. Now for ya say no do salary amount within 24 hours.
Within 24 hours.
Yes. Within 24 hours.
Was a TV so now to know.
TV. Me yes sir because one thing about business they say customer service is key.
That's right.
And ye meka na ye ntumi nye because say me beka na ye ntumi nye na be experience ya message out be ko out no ebe different na ebe affecting so we make sure say providers say whatever documents be here what me have ye be paper within 24 hours you get your
how do I start it me person be loan be me a controller and accountant general staff me can say and as a personnel I make my loan how do I do it
the first thing I be say be controller platforms near be affordability
ni pay na obeje na ebe besia na ebe mo
yes until they show affordability now space a obetimi dey age
space na dey no
space nature say offer aban hye ye mu a obi akatua no ye chemu ohamu mienu 50% na the other 50% no na obetimi dey age loan until 50% no our betim dey agi loan no and never be affordability no but obu also na we dey can agi loans bi oba bi ne ade enti se bia say 50% no dey bia be 20% agi loan and on fa ni nyina akra anye ya e betimi amane loan na e was a repayment both principal any interest in na be cover up to the
bro for no okay principal na dey o sika tene na
sika botin o say dey ka no ene ho interest no no sa na tie enti no ye hwe sa affordability ni wi a
me de menema aban ma be kan se me pelu no
yes first ye be hwe affordability because ye ma own mature application abra be sika o cho no ye ntimi mfa based on the space
so when be che sika mo de be man
yes
based on
the space you know we have to advise you because that is the first thing that we have to do any kwan say ye ade a ho be che da che because on cho you still come back to us enti no you advise so from that point na fe ya jo application letter
and not anything application
oh there be all simple just one line and is amount I pay and number of
within the Edwin Dadzie I
need for you because we letter no or address or sign until you just are applying for a loan of so and so amount na bosume do apese oditwa no your maximum of up to 4 years
how many bet years can
bet years can until whichever duration open 1 year open 2 years or you customer now be decided do state sa na man o letter no we are na afi ya je passport picture
we Sika Korabea we Sika Korabea enkoto de ma ye ba we are still on seat with the general manager of Akuapem Rural Bank 40 years of existence hasn't been easy. Young comrade, you meet him, you baby, I will be our sebra, never loan, maybe. Namu abrabo ntimi nyere nko so eso jani police ni abaka de na sie amanfo ye wedding kama o ba jibi no akwa yenko to ade ma ye ba ye beto ade me so
you can face homeopathic clinic ya hwa yare chronic diseases and some wo beba ye ho no ye de wo hye fidie na fidie no a straining ni padua no na a kire se how we ne woni padua nim ye hwe se wo bi a wonye stroke arthritis problem wo hu ni pabi won kotodwam how anasa wo hu ni pabi wo sciatic problem sa wo pabi bone na ebie wonya namu yare amma wo ba ma no ho kra nya akono wo hu nipa bi ewo eni wo haw ya klecho se wo de eni agrokoma se wo hu nipa bi aware a che awo ne mma na wo sign faith homeopathic fo wo de a na minim ba bi kra wo be ko bi be se ya fidie ni mu bi na afidie no ehu haw na abani padie ni na enche enupa ye mfama kumase ahema kokobe akra ye wo so wutuom Ebenezer Junction Western Region Bogoso Boga abonsanim to jidia na mo ebra na faith homeopathic fo no de eyesronko faith homeopathic clinic
tale ti ehoni ahade come pa
akata wine
akata wine so I say when are you so
na say forklift de dada eno ne adwuma me de ba adwuma mu ha na me beturu ye no ana nchance ni twa no aye me de
ya sebo tale me nua na ja obi abodan so ma no na nye kra wo the way o se fine to kra dem finfin no nso to e bebo ne se shower no
chama aboko de
me say ma bokasi dan yo e de am international contractor na oboso na me nua yi ba ya wo se chale nsuo to a be se shower roof ni nyina anye
papa wo dada GB1 yeah say rain go away come again another day unsa na no o ba me ma IBR we are okay aside IBR no ye wo alozinc and ye wo self lock na ni nyina wo de enyina nchen kakra say dia be bomu sonko kura ne say ye wo emboss
and you say me to me the number emboss
there be we safe o the board down so papa ensuo to awie bo apetampe utim ya utim de tim
enti mo patch say me dan be say di mu
ye free bibi re-roofing sa re-roofing no obekpo modern no ama inspectors edikan akwa check ahwe eye enua carpenter ni de ball wo dan ne so esan say ye nchansen ne de bebo so ama wo ye pedimpa esan say ye wodimpa dada
e say kala be na mo de bebo man me dan na match
wo ye chameleon wo nye chameleon enchan GB1
nice one
ye wo kala bi abi me kamechiro ye nko me mfa mo mfam
obehu GB1 Industries wa koma e ben custom barrier wo fin so kwan so
Sika Korabea.
Abuja masamu akwaba we Sika Korabea wa Adom TV so consider nyume ebono so exactly 7 o'clock. That is where the platform has begun with us say yenche mu baby a betimi anya sika papa baby a betimi anya investment amu abrabo etimi tumpom nye bank bi ane bank. This is the only platform that we project our own. Menti ene me ba the Akuapem rural bank o ma ye adwuma mfie aduanan ni na ye hye loan mu say ya wo ye controlling accountant or pay fee controlling accountant general house abro for kana want to be say baby and general manager answer be kona wo say what the passport picture ya affordability now they will pick your application about afi yen trust you free picture no so yeah
nti say ye free ho a ye wo form bi a controller ede amayen a e wo say o failure e kire say ampa wo mayen consent bank no o ti ase amayen say ye ma loan na ye bet tete every bet me tete every source na dey ba betua na sa form no ne wo mu ne say oje a e wo say o de koma the head of institution
baby away baby away nurse ni a what about department bi and say okay
yes na head no assign as a witness
now one sign the asamato
one sign a yin to me enfam because sebe was say who something about your character
your ba na say o department ni so head no I need you one as a home fee ni say one sign o any say so na mo haro
when the hair intime masa adwuma mu de say na man enfam ma yemfa personal issues ma ho you know me sure say any head of the institution no
you can be forced to sign.
Yes, you sign because one sign maybe there or more procedures or grievance procedures I can report to you. So we've never witnessed such a thing. In Chia be
it is honor the no control.
omo my consent we now also sign your form how be free be provide information about yourself. We are within 24 hours. Baby I will be either open mobile money or say the for account more. We be indicate your form so.
How much mobile app in the account?
I don't know. You use GH Link platform, Gibbs platform. Which within just a twinkle of an eye, your rare time. When you BBI okay, and answer issue to about account. Baby, I will be aware that's account or rural bank and I say or universal bank. So you have that platform to do that.
Okay. And now let's talk about pension. No, yes. Pensioners.
Yes.
Maybe I'm the woman paying me. Now okay, can pensioners. Why pensioners?
Yes. I mean, banks. What I was saying is that we are doing great disservice to pensioners. In the sense that not some pizza. Because time I nipa no one ho dey no dey. Oba how this guy pay me amano. And now wakwa humije mu a sebe the medical expenses are cost no dey. We say we join it in faith. Sebe now person o kan etiko. Okay. And yeah,
that's the motive behind.
Yes, a motive behind say they have kept faith with us. Okay. It is omo kwa humije mu sam re no kwa no mo hia sika. They have to live a better life. Until ye who say no, any client say we have to support them till say almost time person. And say share since this our product in a buyer. What we are realizing is that more above 60 years, they don't even die. And
they don't die because of the support or the moment.
That is right. That is what we have realized, and we are even researching into that because the claims, insurance claims in terms of death are make here. The pensioners, we don't get it. And we don't know whether the support now is making them. We have some people on my 98 years and they still come.
But now we can't say, Mr. Say, baby, Eddie free, omo salary for Hong Kong. Baby for now, so more extended.
Yeah, that arrangement, the major thing is say, you know, obey my authority. Say, bankers, Bosumi BIBA, say 100 cities now, I was with the 2 hour loan now, on better their brain. Now, say, even say, pesa mood, no crana, say, account now, would pension if near current account. I bet me my checks, was dated checks, at all, the time, and so on. You know, I say, clear. And the pensioners in the any come up, almost so, omukremu, just you knew almost agro. Said ye cano emra omuwomu no emra omuhia supporter e was as a bank no it
can be possible say bia na nyame anya obi adom na wanwo krada awaka say ne ba na ebehwe no
okay
nti say wanya bank be ti say amana amwa na what happens
and I say who live in 25th na person kanetiko sa na
waka obwa na manaka for testimony say for the or non dancing tion yenhwe your call, you know, pensioners and also no, as some obi so the two dane mfaso a wanya ewo Sika Korabea no a wanya afia Akuapem rural bank. You go tell you no so can you buy a better minute.
For from me Ida Addison. Me ye pensioner. Na me teacher ni na me call pension. Anso me na me no di kita ho bebre. Me say me ye district secretary for the whole Akuapem North. Na emri bank ya bua yen wo akwankuru bebre so ni titiru ni se loans nkete bia wode aba bua yen sika yekogi wo outside mpofirim a wode bi to so kase ni nyina akofem enti ama district nyina yakom ni bia yekon wode ani jeje enti yesre won so wonkoso mayen incentives a wogusu mayen kakran na bua yen a yakọ pensioner anka yekogie bosia wo beebi mpofirim a wode akase to so enti yeda Akuapem rural bank asepa na ne ayeka no se nyame isira won
abusia se di sisi ye no wo se adanse a ekoso Akuapem rural bank mo ye pensioner dia ba bibie ni wo twa so wode usika no ko no ani se obekọ Akuapem rural bank so wa kra wo nsanwam mo wadu krom wo manfe baby a obia wo de ko Akuapem rural bank baby o mo branch obia wo mo se baby a wo no so kra betim dia ba se o bank se no so betim aboa wo no metimi aboa madwumadi na to se yento ankomo so obi ye bi no person oba bia obeye pensioner na what say no say how does the person really start it?
Say or person or
obenya bi ha me ye pensioner, me papa ye pensioner, me ma me ye pensioner bia menya kwa anka baby or gene salary no person me yi free oba mo na mbo am how do I do it?
And they are very simple cra. I'm say near ohia ne say obeje clearance letter from o bankers no na o dia cost net say senator o dia call o me change na ma within 1 month o bet me assistant but here dey no dey ye hia say o bet assistant o bank ye hia ne say o ba kwaje o bank statement for the past 1 year na ya hwe ye be hwe trend bosomi bia o sika na eba na mpo say o loan kra o bankers no wa ye hwe o statement ne so na say o space no wa sika bia o pe bia betimi di amount na bosomi so a na o bankers no a transfer sika na obutu ya bosomi bia na o de
someone is watching me wo he me say enche obekọ pension in 7 year kin any day ne mame ne papa ne wofa bi how do we do it
na wako form a pensioners form na so ofele ma omutua wo allowances no ye wo ba bi wo ho a o indicate banker o chere banker pese o je o pensioners ni free o buy ha na o buy bi account no ma wa o de share ho na de come ma straight away bo so me so ya mbe ya ma na ba this is the senate pension so the nche this is the first na obi co pension e take so many months say the way you do the same month na ba o co pension na so any problem
answer kwa be kon ma me no ni nkomo we at this time of pandemic, at this time of COVID-19, bank no nsema wo kan se bobesia. Are you still giving out the loans?
Yeah. So I'm really crying here
at this time of pandemic.
Yes.
Okay.
Because you spend a lot of time e and what na fees which are expenses cost who did deeper
because you know next week I want us to talk about woman wojum any woman ebeji loan any micro ebedi sankomon. But I want to know, say, if you are still supporting us during this pandemic.
We are doing as much as
controlling accountant general for
more that because there is free pensioners near more there is free. And COVID no so no ebi mo so enya home faso. Some businesses be over.
Oh, no dey.
Omo enko ye bi so enya home faso pa.
Dana da nyina
and you know say na we asenete. And the COVID no on the positive side and the negative side. And as much as boa to make sure say negative side no
in as your pandemic people are still making profit.
That is it. And that is the time cry profit no cry bi mo dey ekosora
Akuapem cry bi announce on this time no making profit.
Oh, so much. The impact no is both positive and negative but positive side no more obi ba ha ne obi bia onya yemfa nye covid no nti na be ka say covid times there ye share o situation no na ya hwe ne ye ma wa affect you more ne ya ma say the be
ha me ba say me pe ka loan na me nya bi
why not
abuja wasuma almost say the city of Akuapem Rural Bank 40 years of existence hasn't been easy, but they make sure that they flow with their promises. I almost say at this time of pandemic, this is the time that they are giving out loan. Baby, I will be just make a move, sister. One pay baby and for and far. When you Sika Korabea, the only place to go is Akuapem Rural Bank. Just pass by, speak to them. Oh my, I'm so call a year your penina. You should tell the bear or your penny or co pension na honcher na money and soon to be my fee. Yamisha, so now bear Sika Korabea and said, now to send a better word by the end. So as I indicated earlier when we went straight to Akuapem Rural Bank. God will bless you, sir, when you have time. When you say a prayer, share one for me. My name still remains the same, Edwin, Arnold with a Dadzie, Dadzie. Still the CEO of BBRB Fine.
Sika Korabea.